In 2021, a new wave of robots were being deployed for the first time. No longer hidden away in labs, they were seen everywhere from warehouses to roads and even sidewalks. Even in the traditional role of industrial factory robots, the use is still rapidly increasing. In manufacturing, the average global robot density has doubled over the past 5 years and is around 126 robots per 10,000 employees. These industrial robots have also seen changes of their own. Companies are now using autonomous mobile robots such as Pittsburgh-based Seagrid, which uses sensors and software to safely navigate their way throughout the factory. These autonomous mobile robots can be used to move raw materials or finished parts around the factory. There are even collaborative cobots now. These are one of the fastest growing segments in the robotics industry. These are made to work right alongside humans instead of being caged off by themselves on the other side of the factory. They learn new tasks quickly and can sense the location of workers nearby and can stop its movement when the workers get too close, preventing potential injuries. The use of warehouse robots such as San Francisco-based Nimble that use AI and imitation learning to pick and pack products for shipping are also seeing new growth, allowing for a reduction in overall shipping cost and time for consumers to get packages to their doorstep. The growth of the robotics industry will continue to accelerate in 2022, so let's look at the top 10 innovative robotics companies that are pushing the industry forward. First up is Drone Deploy. They have created software that works with consumer drones like Mavic and enable these drones to conduct autonomous inspection and mapping missions. They can be used to inspect structures on construction sites for damage or cracks. In the energy industry, they can be used for routine inspection of power lines and to check for damages, saving time and lowering the risk for workers around high voltage lines. There are also applications in the farming industry. Drone Deploy launched a partnership with the agri-science company Corteva, which operates fleets of crop monitoring drones. The goal of the partnership is to develop a tool called Stand Assignment. It automates crop monitoring and planning by using data gathered from drones. The second company in our list of innovative robotics companies is Nimble. Picking and packing items for shipping in warehouses have been historically a difficult task for robots. The items are usually irregularly shaped and sometimes easily crushed or damaged. Nimble uses AI and imitation learning to teach robots how to gently pick up and pack items. So far, the robots have been trained to pick more than 500,000 unique products. These include cosmetics, apparel, and consumer electronics. Currently, they are deployed with Best Buy, Victoria's Secret, and Puma. The third company is Mobile Industrial Robotics. The Danish robot maker added 2 new heavy-lifting autonomous mobile robots to its line of robots. They can lift loads of 3,000 pounds and is built with parts that are resistant to dust and water droplets. These 2 new robots are also equipped with a host of sensors including 3D cameras and LiDAR to avoid collisions with workers. Fourth on the list is Seagrid. They make self-driving tow tractors and pallet trucks which are used in warehouses. They launched their first autonomous lift truck, the Palion Lift AMR, in 2021. It has a 3,500 pound capacity and navigates using programmed routes with the ability for a human supervisor to intervene if needed. Seagrid has racked up over 5 million autonomous miles in customer facilities without any incidents. The Palion AMR uses AI and proprietary vision systems to understand and learn about their environments. Seagrid has also launched a new Robots as a Service subscription model. This will reduce the initial cost and hurdles associated with getting new customers on board with adopting autonomous robots. Fifth on the list is Neuro, the self-driving robotics company. Its R2 robot is the first completely autonomous zero-passenger road vehicle approved for commercial delivery by the U.S. Department of Transportation. In April 2021, Neuro partnered with Domino's to autonomously deliver pizza to customers in the Houston area. In June later that year, Neuro teamed up with FedEx for last-mile deliveries in FedEx facilities. Next on the list is Zimmer Biomet, which works to make implant surgery less invasive. In August 2021, they secured FDA clearance for its ROSA robot. It's designed to assist surgeons with the position and placement of hip implants. Currently, more than 450,000 total hip replacements are performed in the US, so there is a large market for its tech. Zimmer Biomet also previously have robots that were approved for knee, spinal, and neurosurgery applications. Seventh on the list is CRG Automation. They aided the US Department of Defense with dismantling a stockpile of sarin gas rocket warheads. In 18 months, they designed and received approval for their system, which combines traditional industrial robots with autonomous robots to make the task safer and more efficient. 8 is Mimic Innovative Surgery. They have created a robotic-assisted surgical device which facilitates minimally invasive hysterectomies. It uses humanoid-like robotic arms and hands that are manipulated by the surgeon. The robot requires less abdominal incisions and has less risk of infections and other complications. 9th is SBT Robotics, which makes setting up robots in existing warehouses much easier. Its SoftBot software platform gives businesses the ability to connect their existing enterprise system easily to any robot in just a few days instead of months. All of that without having to write any lines of code. Last on the list is Coco, which provides robot delivery for small businesses. They operate remotely operated delivery robots across Los Angeles. They currently have around 1,000 devices making deliveries for over 50 restaurants, ghost kitchens, and other businesses in LA. What do you think about these 10 innovative robotics companies? Do you think they will succeed? Let me know in the comments below. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.